Wow, take a look at this. I just received a payment of $23,092 deposited directly to my bank account. And I didn't even have to sell anything. I didn't have to pay for traffic, and I definitely didn't have to work hard. All I did was get people to click on a special link of ours. Every time someone clicked, we received payments of $30 over and over. As long as people are clicking, we were getting paid. Sound like something you'd want to do as well? Would you like to see how it's done? If you answered yes, then you're going to love what we have in store for you today. You see, with over 10 years of experience behind my belt and millions made online. So what's the secret? Actually, all you need are two things to crush it online. The first is traffic, real human buyers interested in what you're offering. And the second thing is something to sell to the traffic. Fuse these together and you've got yourself a bulletproof plan for profiting online. However, here's the issue. If you want to make money online, you normally need to get someone to pull out their credit card and pay you online, which is a huge problem. After all, don't we all feel a bit nervous giving our credit card details to a stranger? It's the biggest barrier to overcome, and without a doubt, the #1 thing holding back beginners from making the money they want online. We knew there was a better way. So instead of making money by convincing others to purchase a product or service, what if it were possible to profit even if nobody buys? Well, believe it or not, we've accomplished exactly that with Clicko. Clicko is the first ever app that we're using to get paid $30 over and over by getting people to click our links. Remember, this involves zero selling. They don't have to buy anything. As long as people are clicking our links, we're getting compensated. Now, you might be wondering, how am I going to drive traffic? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Clicko has a built-in traffic system that lets you ultra blast any link with free traffic within 59 seconds or less. Here's how easy it is to get up and running. Step 1. Click any of the buttons on this page to grab a copy of Clicko at the lowest price. Be sure to take action before the price increases. Step 2. Get your pay link. We'll give you a special pay link. Every time someone clicks this, we get paid. This part takes 21 seconds or less. And step 3. Click once to ultra blast your pay link with free traffic via the Clicko dashboard. After that, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the end result. Sound easy enough for you? Then that's one more reason you need to get your hands on Clicko immediately. Now, you're likely scratching your head thinking, this is probably going to be expensive, right? And you aren't nuts for thinking this. With the amount of profits and traffic we're generating with Clicko, it would be reasonable to sell this for $497 per month. After all, it would quickly pay for itself. But listen, that's a lot to commit to. I know how much you want to succeed this year, so that's why we're running an early bird discount. For a limited time only, you'll pay the same price as a cheap t-shirt to get your hands on Clicko. And in addition to Clicko, you'll be receiving thousands of dollars worth of special bonuses. But this discount won't be around forever. If you come back later, it could be gone. Why pay more when you could have taken action sooner? The best thing for you to do right now is to pick up Clicko while it's still around. And to remove all risk from your end, we're going to back up your purchase with our 365-day money-back guarantee. This means if you aren't able to see results, you'll get all your money back. Either way, you win. Oh, and if you're still watching this video, I have a very special gift for you if you grab a copy of Clicko. If you act right now, you'll unlock access to my 10K in 24 hours blueprint bonus, where I reveal the secrets I use to make profits to the tune of $10,000 in the short time period of 24 hours. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below right now to get a copy of Clicko before it's too late. We'll see you inside.